Hello all, my name is Mona Lisa Meena. In today's video, we will discuss about Apache Pig. Apache Pig is one of the essential component of Hadoop ecosystem, and it was conceptualized and developed by Yahoo. And it is actually the simpler alternate of MapReduce. Apache Pig is the high-level data flow language. What does it mean by data flow language? The one node generates the output for the another node after processing, and that node generates the output for the other one. So that's how it flows the data from one node to another. And it is very fast in development and as capable as MapReduce. So let's discuss the Apache Pig architecture. So first of all, we write the pig Latin script on the grunt shell. What is the script? Script is the bunch of command to perform a specific task, and where we write that script on grunt shell. Grunt shell is the interactive mode. It is used to write and execute the script, the pig Latin script. So after writing the script, that we pass it to the parser. What parser does? Parser does three activities. One is syntax checking, type checking, and the last one is it construct a DAG. DAG is directed acyclic graph. What is acyclic graph? Here one set of input is taken by a node and it generates simultaneously, it takes one, and after the processing it generates the one set of output only for the another node for processing. So and it is a graph, it is a directed graph. So here graph is the collection of nodes and edges. So here nodes represents the logical operators and the edges represents the data flow from one operator to the another operator. So DAG actually, directed acyclic graph, is the logical plan generated by the parser. It is given to the optimizer. Optimizer actually optimizes this logical plan by applying the filters, by transforming, by putting some join operations. It actually optimizes that particular logical plan for simplify, for further calculation, for further processing. And optimization is the automatic feature, and after this optimized logical plan, it is given to the compiler, and compiler compiles it and generates the series of MapReduce jobs, and that is given to the execution engine that executes it, and it generates the MapReduce programs. And further it is also connected to the Hadoop distributed file system, where our data resides, where all the large set of files are there and obviously that particular script performs certain operations on that large data set. So this is about pig architecture, and if we think about Apache Pig, what we recall? It is a high-level data flow language. It is very faster in development. It is useful for those developers and data scientists who are little uncomfortable with Java programming language, and it actually simplifies the task and simplifies the complex join operations, and it actually reduces the number of line of code 20 times. When we write in the MapReduce, it reduces the number of lines of code 20 times. That's it all about Apache Pig. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please like, subscribe and share this video. Keep learning. God bless you. Have a nice day. Thank you.